Hi there everyone, my name's Jez and this is John. We're two of the founders of youHQ and we're really excited to be working with you in your school. It's grown a lot over the last couple of years, and whether you've been back for a few days or a few weeks now, we are launching a fantastic new competition that John's going to tell you more about.
So this term, we're bringing our global youHQ community together. Students from around the world have shared their stories about their goals, about how they've been using youHQ to self-reflect and build confidence. Today you'll hear those voices and we hope it sparks something in you too.
Dream it.
Do it. Share it.
Share it.
I've been using youHQ for over a year now, and so far I am loving it. I love it because I can let my teacher know how I'm feeling without anyone else knowing it or saying it out loud. This means my teacher can support me better, and I can say what I want without anyone else knowing. And at the end, sometimes you can set goals, which really helps, and it tells you when the goals have ended. And this means that you can keep track of your goals, and that is why I love youHQ.
This is why I love youHQ. You can set goals for yourself and say how you're going to achieve that goal. I find this really helpful because instead of just saying in my mind, I'm going to do this goal, I can actually set it out on an online platform. It actually helps me achieve the goal. For example, I was really bad at organising my homework, so I couldn't really manage it and I would always leave it to the weekend, but I used youHQ to help me with that, and then I've started to do a little bit every day, even if it's 2 questions of a work, then it's at least a little bit and I don't have it all for the weekend. I also find the videos really helpful because they have multiple different videos, some on breathing techniques, some on how to get rid of anxiety and what to do when you feel tired. There are also some really funny videos that really cheer me up.
So I'm going to talk about youHQ, which is a really nice platform that helps you cope with your feelings. And there are resources like how to cope with anxiety and 5-minute tasks that can calm you down. So I really recommend it to anybody who wants a little bit more support for their feelings.
I love youHQ's goal setting because it helps me create easy and attainable goals that keep me motivated.
And at Blue North Academy, we truly believe that having a community within the school is really, really important, and we really value having great connection and communication between students and teachers. So me personally, youHQ has really helped me because we complete the check-in form at least twice or 3 times a week. It would give me a platform to talk about my emotions discreetly with my teacher and just let her know how I'm feeling.
I love youHQ and I've been using it for over a year now. I like it because you get to jot down your feelings and it makes you feel better. You can also put goals for yourself, so you can be a better person, and I just love how you can express your emotions.
A useful resource I think for students is that they allow you to document your personal journey, and so you can see your progress over your life and see how you felt throughout the month or week or whatever you want to reflect on.
I think one of the most helpful features of youHQ is that you can write things and teachers can see how you're feeling and see what you've written. This is good because it allows teachers to see how you're feeling, and it means that they can identify any problems at the earliest possible time. My advice for anyone starting youHQ would be to set smart and realistic goals that can help you stay motivated. These goals allow you to track your progress, which can help you academically, mentally and in sport.
I think youHQ is a really good way to express your feelings to a trusted adult in the school when you're not really good at coming face to face about how you feel.
It's a good way to get things on your chest and let your homeroom teachers or your trusted adults get informed of how you're feeling and what you might need help with.
My favorite resource on youHQ so far has been this one about how talking is not wrong and how we should always feel our emotions and we shouldn't hide them and we should always have somebody to talk to.
I feel like this same resource would be, I would recommend the same resource for other people, as there are lots of nervous people in lots of grades. I feel like this resource specifically would be for grades 8 to 6 or even 8 to 4, because I feel like it's very easy to understand. There's also a famous player from football like talking about it and how he was abused with it, and I think that it was really nice.
The feature I like most about youHQ is the mindfulness videos, especially the ones on box breathing. The videos helped me gain a visual representation of box breathing, but also helped me to use them in everyday life. I used them most during my Year 11 exam season, and this helped me soothe my anxiety and push through. The advice I'd give to someone starting out using youHQ is to constantly use it. The goals on youHQ are really good because your teachers can see them as well, so they can motivate you to complete them. And the feature where your teachers can see how you're feeling throughout the day allows them to support you more.
And relating to youHQ, I'd never experienced a platform before coming to this school in Dubai. It's a really wonderful platform because I feel like oftentimes people who need help struggle to talk to people who can provide that help to them. So it's a platform that's very helpful because it can give you resources, it can give you advice, it can help you set goals, and it can get you help without you having to directly talk to people who you might not be comfortable with talking to. And I would really recommend using youHQ to its full potential, its goal setting, its videos, its other resources, because on a day-to-day basis, it really does make a wonderful impact.
So the challenge this academic year is which school is going to engage with the key youHQ features the most and the best. Every time you set a goal, use the resources or reflect on youHQ, your school's engagement will grow. Teachers can connect with you, whether it's goal setting, whether it's a mood check-in, and at the end of the year, we will see which school has shown the best engagement and growth and will be crowned the new youHQ School of the Year. Last year, Fairgreen International in Dubai won the award. Let's hear from Laura at the school when they were told. Well, I'm really happy to welcome Laura Dunderdale from Fairgreen International School. And what did you just ask me?
I asked what award we've won.
Well, you have won the big one, the School of the Year. So massive congratulations to you, Laura, and all the students and staff at Fairgreen International in Dubai, because we've got 5 or 6 awards, and the School of the Year is across 9 countries, prep, secondary, international, the whole shebang. We look at the data and we look at the engagement level of the students, and yours is always high 80s, 90s. So well done to you. So well done. What do you think about that?
It's amazing. Like I know that the students are really enjoying it, and I know that our engagement levels are high, but to kind of put that into perspective, that we have just got the school of, like, it's amazing.
So you've heard from the students around the world using youHQ, different voices, different journeys, but the same message. Your voice matters, your goals matter, and your growth matters. This term, we want each of you to take that first step. What will you dream? What will you do? And how will you share it? That's what youHQ is here for, to help you create the future you want.